Hi, this is Jerry. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about something super interesting. The recent wave of overseas users, often calling themselves TikTok refugees, joining Xiaohongshu. Yes, Xiaohongshu, or the Little Red Book, is trending internationally. So here is what we will cover today. First, we will talk about what is happening with Xiaohongshu or TikTok users. Second, we will talk about how are Chinese users reacting. And lastly, tips for using Xiaohongshu and learning some simple Chinese phrases. What's happening? So here's the story. TikTok might be banned in US and people are panicking where they can share videos, where they can scroll for hours. So many of them found Xiaohongshu. For those who don't know, Xiaohongshu is a Chinese app. It's a mix of Instagram, Pinterest, and a little bit of TikTok. People post about fashion, travel, beauty, food, and life tips. Now, it's becoming a hotspot for overseas users too. These TikTok refugees are calling Xiaohongshu their new home. They're sharing posts in English, asking for advice, and discovering unexpected culture insights along the way. And the Chinese users? They are loving it. Chinese users open Xiaohongshu and see posts like, "Hi, how do I look? Any tips?" Some even write, 请指教, please give advice. Chinese users replied with, "Try this style, this color suits you." Some users directly reply in Chinese because now, with AI and translation tools, language barriers are fading online. Overseas users share their daily lives and even ask, "How do I write this for my Chinese homework?" While Chinese users ask for help with their English homeworks. It's not just a help, it's an ongoing dialogue. Everyone gets something valuable, culture insight, practical tips, and even new friends. If you're thinking about trying Xiaohongshu, here are some quick tips. First, use basic Chinese phrases. For example, 请指教, please teach me. Or lots of people will write 听劝, take advice. This phrase is super popular online. It's become a kind of playful phrase, showing how people interact and offer suggestions in a lighthearted way. You could add hashtags like 旅行, travel, or 日常, daily lives. It helps people to find your post. And finally, engaging. Leave comments like 好美, so beautiful, or 好有趣, so interesting. So, what do you think? Are you ready to join the Xiaohongshu wave? At the moment, it's not just an app, it's a window to show modern Chinese life. If you're already on it, comment below with your experience. If you are not, go check it out. You might find a new world. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos about Chinese language and culture. I see you in the next video.